how to use Google Gemini to plan your day in 5 minutes. So to use your Google Gemini to plan your day in 5 minutes, well, first thing is just open up your Google Gemini. So you can use the app, it's easier, or you can either use the web version or mobile version. I'll just use my mobile app. So open the Gemini app, okay, on your device, and then what you're going to do, you're going to give, once you're logged in on your account, if you have an account, login, and then on this prompt section here where you type prompt, tap on it, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to give a detailed prompt of what you normally do, so that it will help the Google Gemini to plan a schedule for you. So for example, something like this. So for example, something like this, so this is just a sample one. Again, you can just give a detailed prompt like, help me plan my day efficiently. I have work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., a gym session at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., and I want some time for cooking my meals, relax some time, and do some reading as well. So give a detailed prompt as much as you can, and then hit on the send option. So Gemini will analyze your input and generate a personalized schedule based on your activities, time constraints, and your preferences. So for example, something like this. So this is a possible efficient schedule for me. So that's, you can see my morning, that's a routine for my morning time. So what are the timing that I can do suggested, and my work timing, okay, and then the evening whatever I can do. So that's my timing here. As you can see, it's been break down into time frames and everything, and also I have some tips for efficiency, so what to prioritize and everything. So it's pretty cool and handy, and it's also very useful, it's quite easy to just plan it in this way by using the Gemini. So you can like refine the schedule, like by asking like, reorganize this plan to include more time for relaxation, something. So you can try to ask for a little bit of customization of flexibilities as well, and Gemini will do that as well. So with these steps, Gemini can easily help you to create a well structured plan for your day quickly and efficiently. That's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.